Hey everybody, Brock here. Just want to go over a quick SPY chart. I want to explain to you guys kind of what I'm seeing that's happening in the market right now. We had kind of a interesting day. Futures look good, and then we got into it as kind of a slow bleed. So let's go and take a real quick look. Let me get everything up and running here. So the reason why I told everyone that wave one is so hard to find is because when it's going up, you're kind of questioning where's the top. You know, is it here? Is it here? And is it here? So that's kind of the hard part of finding the end of wave one and then wave two. Now, this right here, there's still a possibility that this could go up and continue, and then wave one could come down. I mean, wave two could start coming down, but we're seeing some positive signs here that's going to go down. Now we got to hold some important levels between here and here. So let's go ahead and let's check the retracement now that we kind of, I have a pretty good idea that this is wave one and then wave two is coming down. We're about to, for the spot S&P 500, we're about to enter the 0.382 and pass it. So for the S&P 500, I see a few more down days coming up. Sure, there might be, an up day here and then maybe another up day and then it comes down and then, but pretty much I'm looking for it, somewhere in this range is where I expect to see the bounce. Now, if we don't and it can't hold these very important levels, if you look here, these levels are going to be pretty important here. So if it keeps going, we're in trouble. We're probably approaching a bear market there. But if we can get the bounce, look at this. This is gonna be nice. We got a nice bear market going on. I mean, bull market going on there. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at my two stocks that I've been kind of talking about a lot because they look like they're setting up for a nice bounce soon. Apple, as I mentioned on my Twitter feed at Don't Feed Bear, we had this nice little pop. I had a bunch of calls in Apple, made some good money. I know a lot of you did too. And then it dipped hard the next day to kind of to people taking profits. And so my question was, I wonder if that's going to bounce right back up. Sometimes it does that. So one call I took, and once it hit my stop loss today, I exited, which is what you do. I think I lost 100, 200 bucks. Like it's not a big deal. It's when you play smart, a lot instead of stop loss, it reduces risks, and that's exactly what it did. So now I kind of see a trend happening here. So let's go ahead and do the retracement there. So if we look, Apple is just past today the 0.382. Anything in the zero point 0.5 to 0.618 range, I would buy. So I'm gonna get probably a little aggressive once we hit in between this range. I would like to see, right up, yeah, that's probably the support level right there. That's obviously freehand, but I need to trace it out a little better and do a little more research. But Apple's looking like it could bounce soon. It's got the catalyst from that's gonna come up from earnings. I'm hearing good things about the pre-orders for the iPhone 12. They're higher than the iPhone 11. So let's hope for something good here. Let's check out AMD. AMD, I think, is the furthest along. I think they look good. I think they're getting ready. Let's do the retracement. So if you look at the retracement, oh, look at that there. We are past the zero point 0.5 level. So I'm probably going to give another day or two. Hopefully, it might dip a little bit more down to like maybe the $80 level. And again, we get kind of a support right there. Um, so right now it's looking strong. It's looking pretty strong. So that right there is 81. We hit that today, 81 and a half. So if we can go down to just above 80, anything in that range I think is a buy. I'm going to be buying. I have shares and a call still in AMD that I will keep, and I'm hoping for this bounce to happen soon. Now, if we break trend and it just goes down here, we're in trouble and I'll have to exit. But as of right now, they're still looking good. So the stock market is in a weird place right now. It's tough. It's a lot of different things going on, and the news that should make a jump doesn't, and the news that shouldn't matter makes a jump. So I'd say just be careful, manage your risk, know what's going on, and play the smart plays. I'll send you guys stock picks every Saturday. I'll give you updates during the week like this, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me or comment on this post. Okay, talk to you guys later.